Imagine making $10,000 in just one day this Black Friday. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. In this video, I'm sharing the exact steps I've used to help hundreds of customers make over 10K in one single day. Some even hit 6 figures in just one weekend. Crazy, right? Whether you're just starting or have been running your Shopify store for a while, these strategies are designed for you. And with the holiday season around the corner, it's not just about Black Friday or Cyber Monday, it's about setting your store up for success through the end of the year. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll share a secret tactic that will make your customers come back even after Black Friday is over. Hi, my name is Christian. I've helped hundreds of stores boost their revenue, generating millions through expert speed and conversion rate optimization strategies. Just last year, one of my customers struggled to break 10K in monthly sales. After implementing the steps and preparing for Black Friday and Cyber Monday properly, they saw over 50K in revenue in a single weekend, all by making sure their store was fully ready. These strategies work. You just need to know how to use them. Ready? Hit that like button if you're pumped to make this Black Friday your best yet, and let's get started. The first step is creating exclusive Black Friday offers. Your success depends on the strategy and the offers you set up for your customers. I've put together a list of 6 offers, discount types, and promotions you can run this holiday season. Tested over 3 years, they've been generating over 25 million in client revenue, so let's see what they are. The classic option, discount codes like Black Friday 20 for 20% off, Christmas 15 for 15% off, simple but effective. You can set these up directly inside your Shopify's dashboard and then send them to your customers. Buy one, get one free. The free item gets customers excited to purchase. You can set it up in your Shopify's dashboard as an automatic discount. When they add more items to their cart, the automatic discount applies. You can also offer discounts on the second item like buy one, get the second one 50% off, and so on. But make sure to signal your promotions through banners and announcements. Free shipping. A huge motivator. Make it a Black Friday promo or set a threshold like free shipping on orders over 50 to increase average order value. No app needed. You can either create shipping rules on your store or use a free shipping discount code. Include a small gift with each purchase. Buy any shoes, get a free tote bag. Attach a progress bar to your free gift with purchase and free shipping offers in order to signal your campaign, and you are golden. When customers see in their cart drawer a progress bar indicating they are close to earning free shipping or a free gift, it creates a sense of urgency and excitement. This not only encourages them to complete their purchase, but often leads them to add more items to their cart. If you want to do this without an app, I have a tutorial and code snippets linked in the description. If you want to use an app, I'll link a tutorial I made using the Monk app. You can run flash sales. Create different discount tiers for the individual days leading to Cyber Monday, use countdown timers, and advertise your campaign in your email and in your ads. Increase AOV by bundling products like offering a t-shirt and pants bundle for $125 instead of $150 separately. Bundle slow moving with high demand products for value and stock clearance. The second step is to create a landing page specifically for your Black Friday deals to keep your visitors focused. This page should feature your exclusive Black Friday offer, a countdown timer, social proof, FAQs, and an easy navigation to ensure a smooth customer journey. In some cases, you can create a separate navigation that will keep the customers just on the campaign pages and products, avoiding the general site altogether. Landing pages help shoppers find what they are looking for without complicated menus or distractions. A landing page can help you boost your conversion rate by up to 300% compared to a plain product page. Don't wait for Black Friday to start selling. Begin building anticipation weeks in advance. Launch a pre-sale email campaign 2-4 weeks before Black Friday and give your VIP customers early access to exclusive deals. Segment your email list, creating a VIP segment for loyal customers. Offer them a sneak peek to an early access to Black Friday specials to make them feel valued. People love feeling special. use that to your advantage. Make sure you add urgency to your emails. Phrases like limited stock available, 24 hours only work wonders in building hype. Sometimes shoppers know exactly what they're looking for on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, while other times they need a little inspiration. By grouping relevant items together, you can showcase your best deals, attract customers, and boost sales. These collections tap into the excitement of Black Friday and can drive impulse purchases by encouraging customers to take advantage of the limited time offers. These collections should feature limited edition items, bundles, or new arrivals only available during Black Friday. Make customers feel like they are getting something truly unique. During Black Friday, scarcity and urgency are your best friends. Highlight that your deals are limited time or limited stock. Use phrases like only 10 left in stock or sales end in 24 hours to encourage immediate action. Utilize apps like Vitals that offer countdown timers and stock alerts to automate these messages through your site. And here's an example. The brand Hint places a countdown timer on its Cyber Monday sale promotion. It sends a clear message to its customers: buy now or miss out on the discount we are offering. Black Friday is perfect for upselling and cross-selling. When customers add an item to their cart, suggest a related product at a discount rate or offer a bundle. For instance, if they are buying a winter coat, suggest a scarf and gloves combo for 20% off. There are many apps that offer this functionality. One I like to use is One Click Upsell by Zipify. Customers love free shipping, and during Black Friday it's a huge motivator. Offer free shipping and consider extending your returning policy to accommodate holiday shoppers. This reduces their risk and increases their likelihood of purchasing. And here's an example. Anthropology offers free shipping for orders over $50 in its Black Friday marketing campaign. Holiday shoppers might need quick support. Integrate a live chat app to help with any customer questions or issues during the sales rush. Tools like Tidio or Jupi AI can help automate this process and improve customer satisfaction. Also consider including FAQ sections tailored to common Black Friday questions to save time for your support team and resolve issues faster. A slow website can cost you sales. Use tools like Google PageSpeed or GTmetrix to check your store speed and make improvements. This is actually my specialty, so if you need help with your store speed, hit me up. I also have a couple of speed boost snippets that you can install yourself. It takes 1 minute, it's just a copy and paste job, and it can boost your store speed up to 20% higher. Check the description for them. 70% of Black Friday sales happen on mobile devices, so ensure your site is mobile friendly, loads quickly, and has a seamless checkout process. Hire Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok influencers to promote your products. Influencer marketing adds a personal touch and builds credibility for your brand. A well-timed post by an influencer can drive massive traffic to your store, especially when paired with your holiday discounts. Make sure your site reflects the holiday vibe. Update it for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas. Add special banners and promotions right on your homepage. Try having a Black Friday specials or holiday deals section so visitors can easily spot all your offers. And like we mentioned earlier, be sure to create a dedicated collection for these deals so that customers can easily browse everything that's on sale. And here's the secret strategy I promised. After Black Friday ends, don't just assume you're done. Send your customers a thank you email with a special loyalty discount or offer for their next purchase. It's a great way to turn your one-time Black Friday shoppers into repeat buyers. Okay, all these strategies are very powerful, but in order for them to work properly, your product page must be optimized too. I've created an in-depth video about that and you can watch it over there.